Art Among the Flowers. We're starting a new segment on YouTube, and we are going to learn on Friday something new. And today we're going to learn how to make a succulent garden in a wine bottle. This is a real glass wine bottle that my partner, my husband, has actually cut in half, and then he's put some protective plastic lining over the cut so no one would hurt their fingers or cut their fingers. So this is the glass bottle. It even has some little rubber feet on it so it doesn't roll when you put it down. So there it is on the table. I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful succulent garden in this wine bottle. So we're going to start off with putting some rocks on the bottom. So here's our rocks we have. We have some decorative white rocks. So we're just going to sprinkle a few rocks on the bottom, and the reason we do this is so the water has a place to go and it sits in the rocks and not on the roots of the plants. So now that we have the rocks on the bottom, we're going to add some dirt. So we're just putting some potting mix right on top of the rocks like this, just maybe 2 heaping tablespoons. And that's what that looks like. If you want to take a look at that. And then what I like to do is add a little bit of carbon to the soil. It helps absorb excess water as well as prevent any fungus from growing and eliminate bugs, which is really neat to do. You can get this from a pet store, believe it or not. So we're just going to sprinkle a little carbon in the mix with the dirt. We're going to add a little bit more dirt. And then we're going to get our succulents. I've picked 3 succulents out. We're going to maybe put this large one in the middle. So I'm going to get it down in there so it's in the middle like that. And I might need to add a little bit of dirt in there to keep it in place. And then we're going to go ahead and add our second succulent. I've decided to put 3 in here all together. So here's our second one. It's a little smaller, so we're going to place it right next to it. And then here's our third succulent. We're going to go on the other side of the one in the middle and put it in there. And then we're just going to start adding the rest of our dirt in there to kind of hold them in place. And once we get it all filled in, we're going to pack it down pretty hard so there's no air pockets. And give these guys a chance to really thrive in this little bottle. So give me a second and I'll fill this up. I need to raise this up a little since he's short. He will grow. There's room for these succulents to grow and thrive. It's a really fun bottle to have. You can have this bottle in your home on a windowsill. You can have it in any room that actually has some strong filtered light, coming through, or you can keep it outside on your lanai. Super cute. And you don't have to overwater this because there's no place for the water to go, so no need to overwater. So what I'm doing now is packing down the dirt around the succulents to keep them in place, keep them upright, and to get rid of any air pockets. So as you can see, we're getting there. It's starting to look really cute. And don't worry if any dirt gets on top of the succulents because we have a little paintbrush here that we use to brush off the dirt off the succulents. Succulents are very fragile, so if you handle them too roughly, they'll break off. But don't worry, they're very hardy, they'll grow back. So here we go. We're going to pack the soil down a little bit more. Might need to get a little more soil. This is a big bottle, it's a full-size bottle, but we're okay for now. Now what I'm going to do, so you can kind of see what it looks like here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some decorative rocks. The same rocks we put on the bottom I can use on the top now. And I'm going to just place them inside the bottle, all around the succulents. And we can use our same little brush to move the rocks around and get them in little crevices that are hard to get in naturally with your fingers. Because we want to get it underneath the succulents. And as you can see, this is really starting to look super cute. It's really popping with these white rocks. The green succulents are really popping. Okay, so try to get a few little rocks under this guy. Since I can't really get in there, I'm going to use the back side of my paintbrush to get under the succulent and push the rocks around and in between to fill it up, make it look real pretty. And then I'm going to use the soft side, the brush side, to brush off any rocks that fell on top of the succulent as well as dirt. And one thing I noticed we forgot to get is a water bottle, because at the end I like to spray the succulents with some water, which we can do in just a minute. So what I'm going to do is just brush off the dirt, and my handy assistant has got me that bottle, so we're in good shape here. And the neat thing about having a water bottle, you're not going to overwater these succulents by taking this to the sink and pouring water over it. And the other good thing about the water bottle is it can help with getting the dirt off the succulents as well. And now you can see I'm just spraying right down into each succulent, trying to see how that just washed the dirt off of this little guy. And it will also wash the dirt off the rock. So if you're making this for someone like a gift, you want it to look really perfect and clean. And then one other thing, I'm going to add a few more rocks. I can see I need a little more over here. Finish it off. And then one last thing we like to do is top it off with something cute, like a butterfly or a bumblebee. In this instance, we have a bumblebee, so we're going to go ahead and put it right here on one of our little succulents. And there you go. We have our wine bottle succulent garden. So come on over to Art Among the Flowers, learn how to make one of these. We have a workshop starting on June 13th. We'd love for you to sign up, or feel free to order this right online, ready to go, already made. Thanks for joining us.